Welcome to like. In this lesson, we will learn the verb to like in German and how to ask and answer questions using it. The verb to like in German is mögen, and it needs to be conjugated with each person. We will learn it with I and you. Magst du Schnee? Ja. Nein. Ich mag Schnee. In German, we add the pronoun du if it is a second person singular and ich if it is first person singular. Ich mag Konzerte. Du magst Konzerte. In this lesson, you learned how to say to like in German. Welcome to not to like. In this lesson, we'll learn the verb not to like in German. The verb not to like in German is nicht mögen and needs to be conjugated with each person. In German, we simply add the word nicht after the phrase Ich mag nicht schwimmen. In this lesson, you learned how to say not to like